Where am I? Here in Russia. An American. Wow. In a famous Russian vacation spot. What do you think, Aurora?
I love nature.
Do Russians have fun? Does it rain in Russia? Have you ever seen a train like this before?
Yes.
Where?
In the movies.
Where's the snow? So what movies have you seen this train in before? Want to know more? Click subscribe and watch our latest video. Hoping to make it to the river and see the bridge and then run back to my train. Will any of us get left?
Like old train.
Yes, looks like an old style train. You have a little brother?
Yes.
Oh, is he as cute as you?
I don't know.